Diyan. Hello everyone! So, nandito na kami sa hotel namin. The name of the hotel is My Stay Hotel here at Hiroshima. So, after this, may pupuntahan pa rin tayo. Park Palace. Malapit lang yun dito. So, walking distance. So, tatignan natin. Maglalakad-lakad tayo kung ano yung mga stores or yung pwedeng makita.
Let's get some sun, baby, it's time to go. All we need to put on is the radio. I can feel the heat is rising, and the beat is hypnotizing. Oh.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to PinkSampaguita YouTube channel. Andito tayo ngayon sa Hiroshima and ipapakita ko lang kung how do we wash our clothes whenever we go travel. So ito, nasa harap tayo ng laundry con shop. Ayan. So actually nailagay na namin kanina. We'll just pick it right now. It's already done. Oh, here's a...
ここにね、ほら、ちゃんと水分。
何水分があるの？これ押せばいい。あとパワーどれ？これ。
Press the...
これボタン。あげて。
Okay, time to pick up our clothes. Okay, let's open.
ご利用ありがとうございました。洗濯物の取り忘れにご注意ください。目あふれだ。
あとはほら、スーツケースに。
全部取って。So that's the laundry shop, guys. So whenever you go to other country, I'm sure there's a laundry shop around. So make sure to use that kung kulang kayo ng clothes na dala. Kung you need to wash, emergency, go there. Okay, it's time for us to stroll the place here beside our hotel. Let's go one more time before we sleep. It's around 6:40 in the evening and it's still bright. So tara. Oh, so we're looking for a restaurant to eat for our dinner. Okay, we're in front of the atomic bomb dome. Here it is, but it's not allowed to go near. So natitira na lang yung skeleton niya. May mga iba pa rin na cement. CP alarm system in place. So it's not allowed to enter. Before, many people died here way back the time that there's atomic bomb in this place. But they tried to preserve them because in this side it's new.
ここだけで、やられたまま残ってる唯一の。
また明日。
Ah, soda, no? Part of the building. was bombed by the American way back years ago na may conflict pa yung Japan and American. Ayan. But as of now, they preserve it as a reminder that the use of atomic bomb is definitely not reasonable. So I hope I gave you a little information about Hiroshima, especially about this place. This is one of the famous top tourist spot here at Hiroshima. Continue the food hunt. Malapit lang din sa monument. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Sogo Mall. Ang daming magagandang mabibili dito. Kaya lang mag-window shopping muna tayo. Okay, we found the restaurant. It's a kind of seafood grilling restaurant. Ako rin mura na guys.
Ito,オイスター三昧。Okay.
誰がやる？
あとライスでいいだろうな。
それ生きてるかな？あ、フリークロだ。あ、これ生で食ってる。あ、こっち。鉄板で焼いてください。あ、これ。大丈夫。熱い。
開かねえよこれ。絶対開かねえよこれ。
あ、これ大丈夫？
頑張ったら開きましたよ。これパパ食べる。
食べる？I'm gonna divide this. これはちょっと汚い。白はちゃんと入れるんだよ。なるべく少なめにしてね。汁も多く入れるね。汁も多く入れな。食べる？俺いらないよ。あ、どこだった？Good night guys! Malapit na kami sa hotel. I'll see you na in the next vlog. Bye bye na talaga. Mwah!